All right, y'all, let's see what we can open up tomorrow. I think tomorrow's theme is going to be opening up something that I have a lot of, and I see something already. I kind of saw a couple of good deals on eBay for these 1988 Topps Super Jumbo packs, and as you can see, I've got quite a few. I think I have about 10. Anyways, let's do a jumbo pack of 88 Topps. And let's do a jumbo pack of 1990 Topps, as I've got a couple of those. And then finally, we haven't pulled anything out of this box yet. I got this box last week. If I can open it. So let's do 2 packs of 1993. The hell is this? Bowman. Oh, jeez. 93 Bowman Jumbo Pack. 22 cards in each pack. So there we go. 88 Topps Super Jumbo, 90 Topps Super Jumbo, and 2 93 Bowman Jumbo Packs. That's going to be for tomorrow. So stay tuned.